Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Oge, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make tiger nut milk drink. In fact, this drink is a very common drink in the northern part of Nigeria. It's called Kunuaya. It is so healthy and so delicious. It is a nut milk drink, and the best part of it is that it has an aphrodisiac effect. So if you're here and you're suffering from low libido, watch this video till the end and you'll be glad you did. You come and share your testimony in the comment section. If you think you have tried this milk and it has worked for you, write it down in the comments. We all want to know. And for me, it has worked for me because I take it a lot. So I want to share the secret with you guys so that you'll be up and doing in the other room. My Nigerian brothers and sisters, you know what we're talking about. So let's get right into the recipe.
Use a handful of dates, 1 coconut, and 1 cup of tiger nuts. This tiger nut, this is the dry one on my right and the fresh one on my left. I actually soaked it for like 2 days. That is why it's fresh. And then the dates as well. I have the dried one and the soaked one. I soaked the dates overnight as well. And then I shredded my coconuts because just to help my blender, you can totally cut your coconuts in tiny bits and throw them into the blender. And here we'll have our 3 ingredients: the shredded coconut, the dates, and the tiger nuts. Look at the shredded coconuts closely. Yeah, it's so fine. And then we'll throw everything right in: our coconuts, our tiger nuts, and then our dates, and add 2 cups of water. Be mindful of the water, and then we blend. Time to pour it right in. Ooh, yep. And then you can see you add more water into the blender and take away the remaining parts. Yes, then it's time to squeeze. One good thing I like about this bag is that it helps you to really squeeze that milk or whatever liquid it is out of that bag, and you get what you deserve. So we squeeze and keep squeezing. Yes, we are done. This is our milk. So creamy, so delicious. Just pour into your cup, ready to serve. See how thick it is? That is just the way I love it. Just the way I love it. It's so delicious.
It's tasting time. You know, this is the best part of making this video that I enjoy, the tasting parts. Let's give it a try. It's so creamy, it's so good. This is so delicious, trust me. In fact, if I make anything that is not good, don't worry, I'll share it with you. But this right here, oh my, just try this recipe at home and tell me how it goes, and write it down in the comment section. I want to know how it goes and how you feel about this drink. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.